One of my first side hustles went from 0 to $7 million a year in sales. And I remember looking at this business, and it was about 3.5 years since I started it. I remember looking back and thinking, man, I am so grateful that I was able to do this. But I also knew that if I hadn't done the foundational stuff, built that solid foundation, that business, it just wouldn't have taken off. I'd have always been worried about doing something. But I started the right way. I just did all the things that were necessary to build a business, things like budgeting. I did the marketing plan. I also made sure that I followed or filed all the forms that are required to file. I just did everything that I knew I needed to do, so I didn't have to worry about it. And those were important things. And now what I've done is I just follow, when I start other businesses, I just follow that same blueprint. And I've started a dozen businesses since that point. Businesses that have grown, businesses that have generated millions of dollars in sales, businesses that have employed hundreds of people. Yeah, I built those businesses based on starting a business, doing the right things, building that foundation. In the description box of this video, what I have a free side hustle starter kit. It's something I created for folks out there who want to start a business and they're not sure what to do. And quite frankly, none of us are born knowing how to start a business. We don't know all the stuff that's necessary. We don't know the shortcuts. We don't know what needs to be filled out, the forms. So I have a free side hustle starter kit. You can check it out. It goes through the 8 steps that I have learned you got to do if you want to build a solid foundation to get that business off the ground. It's for people that are serious about starting a business. Now, I know there's folks out there that maybe you're watching this video and you're thinking, I got a lemonade stand. I don't need to do it. Or maybe you're just selling stuff, at a flea market on the weekends and you're thinking, I don't got to worry about this. And maybe you're right. Maybe you don't have to worry about it. Maybe you can ignore it. But maybe you're wrong. Maybe you need to do this. Either way, I've got a free side hustle starter kit in the description box. You can check it out. It's yours for free. Now, one more thing. If you want additional information about starting and building a business and building from scratch, or maybe you've got a business and you want to grow it, check out Side Hustle Rules. Check it out and subscribe. That's my channel, my other YouTube channel. And on that channel, I use a lot of my experience, talk about all the businesses that I've built, talk about some of the issues that I know you're going to have to overcome, talk about some of the things that can really help you to prosper. So subscribe to Side Hustle Rules. Come on.